Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the new wallet. It's a Torum wallet. If you sign up this wallet, you can receive $67 free token. It is a new airdrop. You can sign up here and earn token, and also you can refer your friend and earn more token from here. And it's like a exchange. Okay, I am going to show you now how to create the account right here. First of all, you have to enter your first name here, and then enter your last name, and then you have to enter your email address here, and you select the username, and you select your country here, and enter your mobile number, and then enter your password and confirm password. And the referral code automatically available here. Tick the agreed and to term and condition, and hit the register button. After sign up process, you can sign in here, entering your email ID and password. Successfully sign in. You can see here I have received $67. You can receive, send and buy and swap. It's like a exchange wallet, or it's like you can swap the coin from here in any wallet. The deposit crypto asset to your 𝑳𝒊𝒂𝒄𝒓𝒄𝒄𝒄𝒄 wallet. The Torum wallet is a social fee metaverse ecosystem that is especially designed for the cryptocurrencies user and user project. The Web3 ecosystem is built on the social media platform. Like you can see here, the metaverse to Torum token pre-sales is live here. You can click the and purchase Torum token from here, and you can see here the referral program for your friend and earn free tokens. Million of champions. You can see here interest earn per day. You can deposit and earn interest here. I have received $37 USDT, Torums, and USDT $30. Okay, you can invest any coin, so you can earn from this free balance, right? Okay, now I am going to show you how to recharge the account. First of all, you have to click on the recharge button, this icon. You have to click this icon, and then copy the recharge wallet address and paste it in your wallet and send the USSD to this wallet, right? Now I am going to show you how to withdraw the token from here, right? You click on this icon, and then enter your wallet address and enter your amount to be withdraw, and click the withdrawal button, right? You after clicking the withdrawal button, the minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Okay, then you can see how referral program. Earn and refer. Share your referral link on your social media to receive boundary to Torum coin and USDT. Your referral link is here. You can copy the referral link by clicking this icon, and then you can share the referral link with your friend and earn more commissions. The Torum free sales is live here. You can see the Torum token free sales, private sales, free sales, team, liquidity, reverse sale. You can see about the Torum tokens and construct address here. Okay, this is a new wallet. You can, if you want to register this wallet and you want to sign up this wallet, you click on the link below. You can click and sign up use here, right?